Good morning students and welcome back to the class. So in the previous class we were discussing about the bryophytes and these bryophytes are divided into two groups, livers and that of mosses. So first let us discuss about livers. The body of livers is called as thallus and the vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation here, and asexual reproduction takes place by production of gamete, and these gamete are produced at receptacles called gamma cups. Okay, and this gamete are green in color and they are multicellular asexual buds. Okay, so the gamete, these are nothing but green in, which are green in color, multicellular, and they are asexual buds. These asexual reproduction takes place by the production of gamete, that is the asexual buds, and sexual reproduction takes place by the production of male and female gametes. Okay, and these gametes may be produced on the same thallus or on a different thallus. Further, the fusion of these gametes takes place and that results into the diploid sporophyte. Okay, so the sexual reproduction takes place by production of male and female gametes, and these gametes may be produced on the same thallus or on the different thallus, and here the fusion of male and female gametes takes place that results into the diploid sporophyte. Okay, and this sporophytes, okay, then it undergoes the meiosis and that leads to the formation of spores, and further these spores germinate and converted into gametophyte. Okay, that is the haploid stage. Fine. So this is about the liverworts. Next we will discuss about this mosses. So the predominant stage in the mosses is in the life cycle of this mosses is gametophyte. So the predominant stage in the life cycle of mosses is gametophyte. You see, in the bryophyte there are alternation of stages. One is gametophyte, another one is sporophyte, isn't it? So here in case of this mosses, the predominant stage of in life cycle is a gametophyte, that is haploid in nature, and this gametophyte is having two stages. First one is protonema stage and second one is a leafy stage. Okay, and the first stage, that is a protonema, it develops from a spore. Okay, whereas the second stage, that is leafy stage, it develops from the secondary protonema as a lateral buds. Okay, and further in mosses the vegetative reproduction takes place by the fragmentation and that of the budding. So the vegetative reproduction in case of mosses takes place by fragmentation. Okay, that is the whole body is fragmented or broken into pieces, and each piece develops into new individual. Likewise, it also reproduce vegetatively by formation of buds. Bud is a structure, okay, initially which is attached to the parent body, and later on it detaches it and it develops into new individual. And sexual reproduction, it takes place by the fusion of male and female gametes. And after this fusion of male and female gametes, zygote is formed, and this zygote it enters into the sporophyte stage. Okay, that is diploid in nature, and this sporophyte is differentiated into foot, seta, and capsule. Okay, and the capsule it undergoes meiosis, and that results into the formation of spores. Okay, and example for this mosses is Funaria, Sphagnum, and Polytrichum. Okay, so this is about the mosses. So next we will discuss about the pteridophytes. In this okay, so that is pteridophytes. So these pteridophytes, they are the first true terrestrial vascular plant. Okay, so pteridophytes are, they are the first vascular plants. Vascular means having vascular, this xylem and phloem what is that vessels. Okay, xylem and phloem vessels which transport the food and water respectively. So these pteridophytes are the first true terrestrial. Terrestrial means one which grow on the land. Okay, vascular plants, that means they possess the xylem and phloem vessels, and these grow in a cool, damp and shady places. The pteridophytes, they grow in a cool, having lesser temperature, and damp, having wet, ಹಸಿಯಾಗಿರೋದು, and shady places, ನೀರಲ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಸ್ಥಳಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಟೆರಿಡೋಫೈಟ್ಸ್ ಬೆಳೀತವೆ. And the here the sporophyte stage is predominant. Okay, the life cycle of this pteridophytes, in the life cycle of this pteridophytes, this what is sporophyte, that is a diploid stage, is predominant. Okay, and this sporophyte, it is differentiated into true root, stem and leaves. Okay, the sporophyte, that is a diploid stage, it gets differentiated into true root and stem and leaves. Fine. And the sporophyte, it bears sporangia. Okay, in sporophyte it bears ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಹೊಂದಿರೋದು ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಪೋರಾಂಜಿಯಾನ ಹೊಂದಿರುತ್ತದೆ. And this sporangia is subtended. Okay, subtended by this leaf like structure which is called as a sporophyllus. Okay, so this pteridophytes, they bear the sporangia. This sporangia is what is that subtended by leaves like structure called as a sporophyllus. Okay, so these are the few characteristics of this pteridophytes, and still there are many more characteristics of pteridophytes which we will discuss in the next class. Okay, so with this we conclude here and continue tomorrow. Thank you.